On a daily basis, we witness objects at rest or moving erratically coming to an abrupt stop. Ever wonder why a spinning ball steadily reduces its speed till it ceases? Or why a pen placed on the desk doesn't go wandering off? To get the answers, let's take a trip back in time and join Sir Isaac Newton, who became the catalyst for revealing these secrets to us. Picture Newton sitting under an apple tree, engrossed in his own world of thoughts. Suddenly, an apple falls from the tree. This occurrence sparks a game-changing idea in Newton's mind, which makes him question, why did the apple fall straight down and not in any other direction? He begins obsessively exploring these mysteries of motion. With utmost perseverance, Newton unfolded the illuminating truth. An object at rest stays at rest unless external forces compel it to move. And a moving object stays in motion unless slowed down, again due to external forces. It was as if Newton had found the key to